Drones are more popular than ever, but flying one comes with rules. If you're new to drones or thinking about buying one, you might be wondering, do I need a license? How old do I have to be? Can I travel with a drone? And do I need to register it? In this video, I'll break down drone rules for both Canada and the United States in a simple way so you can fly safely and legally. If you're flying a drone for recreational or personal use, licensing rules depend on the country and the size of your drone. In both Canada and the United States, drones are not allowed to fly near airports, over national parks, at sporting events, or in restricted areas like military bases without permission. If you're flying a drone for commercial purposes, such as business content, real estate, or social media work, the rules are stricter. In the United States, commercial drone flights must be done by or supervised by someone who is certified by the FAA. In Canada, commercial drone flying also requires the proper pilot certification depending on the operation. Now let's talk about traveling with a drone. In most cases, you can bring a drone on an airplane. Airlines mainly care about the battery, not the drone itself. Most airlines allow lithium batteries if they are under a certain capacity. And batteries usually must be carried in your carry-on bag, not checked luggage. Always check your airline's rules before flying with a drone. Now let's look at the age restrictions for flying drones. In Canada, you must be at least 14 years old to get a basic drone license, and 16 years old for an advanced license. In the United States, you must be at least 13 years old to register a drone, and 16 years old to become an FAA-certified drone pilot. Do you have to register your drone? In Canada, drones between 250 grams and 25 kilograms must be registered with Transport Canada. If your drone is under 249 grams, registration is not required. In the United States, drones that weigh more than 250 grams must be registered with the FAA. Anything under that weight does not require registration. Even if your drone does not need a license or registration, you are still responsible for flying safely. Always keep your drone in sight. Avoid flying over people, respect privacy, and follow local laws. Drone rules can change, so always check official government websites before flying. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more drone content. Fly safe, and I'll see you in the next one.